What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Alexis Janiece and today we are doing this look right here. Before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that bell notification button so you won't miss any of my newest videos. Let's get right into the tutorial. So I already did one eye off camera, so I'm going to go ahead and go right into the other eye. I already primed my lids with the Juviasplace concealer in the shade 15. I put that all over my eyelid and then just blended that out with the Beauty Blender. So the first color I'm going to go in with is the Honey by the Colourpop. And this is going to be in the shade Sweet Spot. Oh no, I'm wrong. Buzzkill. I'm going to go in with this corner color right here. And this is just going to be like my transition color, basically. And I'm going in with a Morphe MB23 shadow brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and work that just in the corners and just bring it all in my crease and up. Alright, so now that we have that blended out, I'm going to go in with the Morphe M576 brush. And I'm going to go into my Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette in this pink right here, this top corner. And I'm going to keep that in the outer corner of my eye. And then going right back in with the MB23 brush that we used for the transition color, I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. And then go back in with the pink again. It's going to be a lot of back and forth because we still want color there, but we still want it to be very diffused. So just back and forth with the two brushes. You put a little bit on with the M576 brush, and then you go back in with the MB23 and blend it out, back and forth, until you get it how you like it. All right, so now that I have that how I like it, blends in with the other side, I'm gonna go in with this, switch balance here, just a flat eyeshadow brush. This is by the, I can't even see what that says, you guys, but this is a flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm gonna go in with Sweet Spot in the Colourpop palette. And I'm gonna put that in the middle corner of my eye, and we're gonna drag it towards the middle. But we're not gonna put it in the middle because we're gonna put another color there. So I'm just gonna pack it on and just spread it. Now the reason why I decided to do this look as diffused as it is because every time I put this yellow on my lid and I go to like blend it into another color, or I go to like, I'm obviously not gonna leave it like this, it would just be super spotty, like it's very powdery. The color payoff is great, but it doesn't stay like this. So I just decided to just make it more diffused so that way I wouldn't have to try to figure out a way to keep this as pigmented as it is when I pick it up on the brush or I pick it up with my finger. But when I put it on my eyelid, it does not stay like that. I even tried to put concealer on it, make sure it's kept the concealer wet, and it still did the same thing. So that's why I decided to just do it as a diffused look. So if you have this palette and you have a trick to where you can get it to stay on your eyelid and not be so powdery, please comment down below and let me know, because I love these colors. These colors are great. They just don't really show up that well on me. So I'm gonna go back in with my my M576 brush. That's the same one we were using the pink with. I'm gonna use the same one, and I'm gonna go in with this orange in the Huda Beauty Electric Obsessions palette. And I'm going to pack that right in between the pink and the yellow. Going back in with that flat shadow brush, getting a little bit of yellow. Just putting it right there in the front. And then going right back in with the same brush we did the orange and the pink with. And then blending that out again. And then going back in with the MB23, this is the MB23, right? Yeah, MB23 that I use as our transition brush. And I'm just gonna go ahead on the edges and just make sure that the edges are all blended out. From the very inner corner all the way to the outer corner. And then M576, back in with the pink, making sure that pink stays in that corner to where we can see it still. Blend it into that orange. Because you may do the orange and the pink may fade a little bit. So you're just gonna go back and forth in the orange and the pink and the orange and the pink. And then just make sure that they are blended together, but you still see each color. Okay. And then the flat shadow brush, you're going back in, making sure that's blended out into that orange. If you need more, dip it, get some more, blend it out. So I'm only using 3 brushes. I'm using this flat shadow brush and these 2 shadow brushes, these 2 fluffy shadow brushes. Those are the only 3 brushes that I'm using, and this is really just a back and forth thing until you get the desired look that you want. I think I got it to where I'm satisfied with it. Now, right here in this corner, it is a little harsh. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back in with that Buzzkill that we used as the transition color. I'm just gonna take a little bit with the MB23 brush and I'm gonna put it right in that corner just so I can diffuse that out a little bit and blend that out. So you can also add liner to this. I didn't want to add liner because I wanted to keep it, you know, simple. But right from this, I went and I added some mascara, some Maybelline Stiletto Mascara. Stiletto Lash Mascara, sorry. And I added some onto my lashes before I added lashes. So the lashes that I used today were by Ardell Double Up in the style number 213. So those are the lashes that I have on right now. So now we're gonna move in right into face. I'm gonna use, again, the Master Prime to prime my face. If you watched my other videos, you already know this routine. Going in with the Fit Me by Maybelline foundation in the shade 335. I'm spraying the e.l.f. Illuminating Primer Mist. I've been using this to blend out my foundation. And going in with the Juviasplace concealer in the shade 15 for my highlight. With the Juviasplace concealer in the shade 8, I'm going to use this as my cream contour. Going in with my Lauramercier powder, I'm going to pour some in the cap here. And I'm going to take my beauty blender and set my concealer. With my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder in the color N7, I'm going to go in and set my contour, my cream contour. And just with a face, a fluffy brush, I'm gonna go ahead and blend all that powder out. And I can't talk. I'm gonna go in with a e.l.f. contour brush in the Huda Beauty Electric Palette. I'm gonna take that orange and that pink together, and I'm gonna do my lower lash line. I'm gonna use two highlighters today. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Healthy Glow Bronze and then the Thebalm Mary Louminizer. And I'm gonna take, where'd I put that brush? I'm gonna take a Morphe M510 brush, and I'm just gonna mix the two together to add a highlight. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of blush. This is the Wetnwild in the shade Mellow Wine, just with a Real Techniques blush brush. I'm just gonna tap just a little bit, just to give my cheeks some color a little bit here. And I am adding it right on top of that highlight. Going in with the Urbandecay All Nighter Setting Spray, I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face. I went ahead and took my Maybelline Stiletto Lash and I added mascara to my lower lash line. Forgot lips, honey. What are we gonna do for lips? 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 Cranberry juice. It's good for you. It's good. That's good. Let's see. Whoa. Oh no, this is so good. Oh my god. So I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild lipstick in the color Pinkerbell, and the color number is 968. I had put some on my lips already because I wanted to see what it looked like, and I thought it was really cute. So we're gonna work with it. Why haven't I used this before? This pink is so cute. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasiabeverlyhills lip gloss in Summer Vibes, just to add some shimmer here. It's very spring. So with just the lipstick and the lip gloss, I feel like I was losing my lip shape a little bit. So I went in with my handy dandy random brown pencil, lip pencil, and I just went on the edges and then just, you know, found my lip shape, put it there. This is how it turned out. I like the way it looks. It gives it more definition. This is so spring. I'm so ready for spring. Are you ready for spring? I'm ready for spring. This is cute. Is that a white hair in the front? Oh, okay, no, okay. All right, you guys, this is the final look. This is so spring. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm so ready for spring. I'm tired of this cold weather. I'm tired of wearing a coat. So let's move on to the next season. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This is really simple. As you guys saw, I only used 3 brushes, 3 colors. That was it. This can be done within like 15 minutes. Yeah. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and the bell notification so you won't miss any of my other videos. Make sure you follow me on all my social media. I have Instagram, Facebook. I just made a Twitter. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.